But there are 3 challenges that you should always master if you want to be successful. The challenges that you face as an entrepreneur when you pitch to investors, but there are 3 challenges that you should always master if you want to be successful. The first one is, answer the audience expectation. The expectation of the audience is that you will cover the information that investors are using to take a decision on spend more time with you or not. And those are market, accessibility and size. Second, the team. But not just the education or what basically you studied, but what is it that you did before in your life that make you the right team to pursue that opportunity. 3, the value proposition. Value proposition is the core of your business opportunity, and you should be very clear on it. Try to make it as numerical as you can. Bringing comfort is nice. But you don't pitch a business opportunity, you pitch an investment opportunity. So put numbers on the table. Force the momentum. Why now? Explain me why is it that I should invest in your company now. 5, scale. There has to be a scalable model. It has to be not just a business that is sustainable. It has to be a business that has a growth potential which is very strong. If you cover those 5 points, then the 6th point will happen to be exit, which is the way I will realize my investment selling my shares. So when you pitch, cover those points. Why? Because I'm expecting you to do it. So don't talk about anything else but just that specific content. By the way, you can cover that in 3, 4, 5 minutes, depending. Now, follow the codes. And the codes are, if it's 3 minutes, it's 3 minutes. If there is 2 minutes of Q&A, well, it's 2 minutes. Short question, short answer. You don't have the time in a Q&A to develop what you were not able to develop during the presentation. This is not the purpose of it. Strongest challenge of all. You have to be different enough so that you're remembered. And this is something that you should do with strong points, with ways to be remembered. Ways to be remembered is first, start strong, a hook. Second, put numbers. Third, be attractive. And you know what, at the end, always a call for action. You came for what? Tell me.